Timakaka mega Gavanas ma pacho ka okwa mondo tegiore mag tije magi timo e counties magi mondo duok chien kwan mag buche mibadhi mosebedo e counties e kin thuolo mosekalo. Gavanas bende okwa mondo oluw okenge moketi kod duol makedo gi mibadhi e pacho ka EACC mana mondo giket chenro magi magitimo ne jopiny e yo ma oyanga. Kaparo makama ne ochiw kod Polo Dongo, achiel kuom jokanyo mowuok e duol mang'iyo dongruok e counties mano ma county ma Kakamega. Odongo kata kamano kwayo gavana ma Kakamega Fernandez Baraza mondo ochiwre matiyo ne Oganda e county no koro ochiero chenro mane ochaki to ne ok otieki e telo mokalo.
I think ECC has done a lot of investigation, but sometimes you find that it's more political. Kesi inatupiliwa mbali, and so many governors sometimes they have been just escaping that. So the good political will matters a lot to ensure that the ECC as an independent institution function properly. But my appeal is that they need to track any kind of corrupt scandal or maybe misuse of funds to make sure that they track the governor that have maybe left and they have been implicated in such a scenario to ensure that they return that money so that we experience service delivery. The governor has been trying. The issues there that we are saying is about accountability. So the county need to come up open. How much is pending or how much has been allocated, what has been paid and what has not been paid. It's very important in terms of budget transparency.
We now understand a way on how to check on how